Hello, this is Rob and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show you two different ways of how you can install Microsoft Teams on Ubuntu. So first of all, you have to download Microsoft Teams. Go to the Microsoft.com website, go to 365, you go to Products, over here you see Microsoft Teams. Click Teams and over here you download Teams. Download Desktop. You get the option to choose Linux Deb 64-bit, that's the one you want. And it starts downloading, at least now. Let's check if it's all there. Yep, it's all there. Now there are two options. The first one is via terminal. That's the one I'm going to show you. Let's make it a bit bigger. And you type in cd downloads / now you're in a download folder and you must list the app. Now you see it's Teams and then a lot of stuff behind it. But there is an easier way to install it. sudo apt install Teams tab key, and then it fills out the entire title. Enter. Now it wants to know your password. Okay. Now it starts installing it and doing all the magic. And it's done. Okay. Go to show apps. See if we can see it. Yep, there it is. There you have your Teams app installed on Ubuntu. But there is another way. Okay, so I've already downloaded the app from the Microsoft.com website. Now we are going to the downloads folder. It should be here. There it is. Right mouse button. Takes a little bit to unpack. Okay. Install. Password. Enter. And now it starts installing. And it's done. Okay. Now we have to check if it's done. Go to the app. You see already here it's installed. I want to show you something else. Right mouse button. Add to favorites. So now it's in your quickie bar. Yeah. So all you need to do now is set up and configure Microsoft Teams, which I will show you in a different video. But for now, you install Microsoft Teams, you add it to your quick select bar, sign in, fill in your password, and that's it. So let's start on the next video. Please like and subscribe, share, especially share the video. That would be awesome. So have a nice day. Bye bye.